Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart. Yesterday we didn't post any video presentation due to technical reason, and as a follower, you know that we expected crude oil to stay in downtrend in the last week. Price open here 4,411 below the previous day's price closing, and took a resistance around 4,430 and tried to come down. It came down till 4,372, again took resistance at 4,430, and it came down till 4,340 and close near that, and today it's expected to open somewhere near 4,360. So again we had a continuous selling. As a follower, you know that from 4,800 it's a 500, nearly a 500 point drop, and it's taking us all with a surprise. So what we can do today? So the price had dropped a lot, more than near 500 points, and any retracement can push the price up. So it's a very tough zone. We cannot go against the trend also. So what we can do, to be on the safer side, you can wait for the price to come down, and we had marked various support levels. Okay, we had marked various support levels. Whenever the price is testing the supports, like 4,320 or 4,266, you can go and buy a call option. So we are going against the trend, which means that you can buy a call option at these price points, okay, expecting, and you can hold for just whenever you buy, not more than 1 day you can hold it, expecting that it can give you some retracement after this good drop. Maybe you can gain some profit. That's one way of trading for today, or else wait for the price to come and hit the various resistance. The intermediate resistance looks, but if you start selling at any point on any resistance, you need to go till 4,560 by placing stop loss near 4,572, which is again a very quite high stop loss. In other words, since nowadays we have the options derivatives, you need not wait for that. Whenever the price is moving up drastically for retracement, when you get an exact point, go and buy put options, so which can protect or give some protection for your stops. So maybe you can buy a put option at if you have the volume at some out of money option, you can buy. It's very good if you get filled in the out of money options, or else always at the money options you have at present, you have buyers and sellers, you have some liquidity. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.